Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another Tingle box for you, and this is going to be my last subscription box with them. That's what it looks like. So if you're new to Tingle box, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and just curious in seeing why I'm cancelling with them and the contents of their February box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Tingle box is a monthly beauty box that ships internationally. It costs £10 a box and £3 shipping within the UK, and it costs £7 to ship out to the UK. You can opt for a monthly rolling subscription, which you can cancel any month, plus they offer a 3 and 6 month subscription as well. Inside the box you'll find 5 to 6 products that range from skincare, hair care, makeup, beauty, wellness and all things self-care related. So as well as their subscription boxes, they do offer a one-off box which will cost you £7.99 and then £3 shipping on top of that. If you're interested in taking a look to see what the one-off box is like, which I believe are quite similar, they don't change every month. It's the very first unboxing I did on my channel for Tingle. Well, not for them. I've bought these boxes myself, but it's the first Tingle box I did on my channel, so I'll pop that down in my description, as well as links and everything to the website, and if I can find any discount codes out there, I'll pop them down below as well. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything would be listed down there. So I think that's it as far as information goes, so let's get on to showing you what I got. There's no particular date that they send these boxes out. I've received them really early on in the month, but then this one I received more towards the end of the month, so I'm not sure how that works, but obviously that could be down to delays and everything with shipping, so it doesn't matter, but yeah, as far as I'm aware, there's no like set date when you'll receive your box. So inside the box we've got a little leaflet here, and it details everything about the products, including the cost, so I'm able to tot it up and to give you an overall value, plus there's a sneak peek for the March box. There's a little postcard there with Galentine's on it, and these are all the products. You might not be able to see them all, but I'll go through them one by one. There's no theme telling you what this box is about, but I'm guessing by the love hearts and the Galentine's card or print that obviously it's a love theme because it's February. On the back here then, it does give you the spoiler. Our March box celebrates International Women's Day, featuring brands founded by kick-ass females from around the world, including the amazing Mallow Beauty. It doesn't show us what we're going to get, but there will be a product by Mallow's Beauty. Okay, so let's go through it one by one. So the first product in the box is a sheet mask by Vitamars, and this is a marine gold mask made with real gold and marine collagen for plumping. I think I've probably tried this one before. I've tried quite a few Vitamars sheet masks over the last couple of years. And then it tells you on the back here how to use it and how long to apply it and things like that. So is there anything else I can tell you about it? I can tell you the price, which is £5.99 if you were to buy it. It combines anti-aging extracts of collagen and 24 karat gold dust for a noticeable, firmer and plumper skin texture. So that's the first item in the box. Now the next item is a perfume. And this is by Elle L'Edition. It's a perfume. Now this was our sneak peek from last month, and they showed a picture, let me show you there, of that. I knew we probably won't get the full size, but I was thinking we might get a little travel size. But no, it's a little sample. It's a little, not even full. How big are you? It's usually 1.5. You might not be able to see. So it's a little sample perfume. Never mind. Right, I'm expecting it to be quite a rosy smell. If you've been following me for a while, you'll know I don't like rosy smells whatsoever, but I don't feel so bad if it is now, because it is literally only a sample. But then I was thinking I could pass that on to someone, couldn't I, if it was more of a bigger size? It'd be a nice present. It's definitely a scent I've smelt before, and I can't think why. That's not bad actually. That is quite a nice smell. I was expecting it to be rosy. I don't know why. Maybe just because it's pink, but it's not. That is a really nice scent actually. I really like that. There's only hot off in there though, so it's not going to last long. So the recommended retail price for the full size is £23. Elle L'Edition is a fresh, fruity, floral fragrance, effortless enough to wear all day, elegant enough to wear all night. It captivates immediately with delicious citrus and fruity top notes of lemon, mandarin, freesia and a hint of pear. And it says here, if you love the scent, head over to Superdrug for 50% off from February the 24th until March the 23rd. Next we've got a product by Balance Me, and this is a super toning body polish. This is naturally cleansing and smoothing, and we got 50 mils here. This is 50 mils, but for, I'm sure it says 150, it's £18. And it also says massage into wet skin daily in circular motions. Start at the ankles or work up to your body towards the direction of your heart. Rinse skin clean and follow with a super toning body wash. Then we've got a product by Maybelline, and this is Cheek Heat. This is a sheer gel cream blush, and I'm assuming this is full size. It just says you can buy these for £8.99 from lookfantastic.com. This one is Berry Flame, but the other one I can't read it, it doesn't say, but you can see at the top there, it's more of a coral shade. Get a rush of colour with this lightweight gel cream blush that instantly creates a fresh and luminous sheer cheek flush. This Maybelline Cheek Heat Water Infused Hydrating Sheer Gel Blusher, that's too long, hold on. This blusher has been water infused with colour pigments for a buildable natural look. Okay, I'm not going to be putting it on my cheeks because I don't tend to wear liquid blushes on my cheeks unless I'm going for a very, very lightweight summer look, and then I tend to mix it in with like my foundation and things. But generally I don't, and that's only because I've got quite high colour in my cheeks and I prefer to apply powder, that's all. Ooh. There. Yeah, it's a pretty colour. Here's a pretty colour. Is that blending in? Yeah. You don't need a lot. You might not be able to see much there if it's picked up on the camera well there. You don't need much at all. You only need a tiny, tiny bit, or else you'll have bright pink cheeks, which is, depends on the type of look you're going for, but yeah, not for me. I'm going to pass that on actually. I'll ask my daughter, maybe she might be interested in having a go. So there's that. Next we've got a little mud masky. What's this? This is a Sleep Repair Renewing Nourishing Mask, and there's 15 mils here. This is a sample, the full size is £43. Your skin looks visibly less tired. It also reduces dark and dry circles. Your face will feel extremely smooth and energized in the morning, packed with active ingredients that do the heavy lifting while you're asleep, and no fragrance. So we've got an overnight face cream mask. Next we've got a nail polish, and this is by Nails Inc, and this is in shade Bourgeois. Gorgeous, gorgeous colour. I think I've already got one of these already. I probably had them in a subscription box probably around like Valentine's last year, or maybe Christmas. I don't know. I do know that I've had this before. I love the shape of the Ciati nail polishes. They're not the best. They go on the nails beautifully. They are really nice, but they chip. I prefer Nails Inc polishes that we get a lot of in subscription boxes over the Ciati ones. But if you're using it just for a night out, then okay. So this is obviously full size, and to purchase it will cost you £9. With an ergonomical designed bottle that will sit comfortably in your hand, the polish also boasts a long handle and a 250 bristle brush for smooth and even application. Long lasting and fast drying, this highly pigmented polish comes presented in a stunning bottle that's adorned with a signature Ciati bow. The info surrounding these products are just very long-winded. They are, you know, there's nothing wrong, it's just something that I've just picked up now with this box in particular. I could paraphrase all that down into just a couple of words. It's a nail polish, it's a red nail polish. And lastly, they added in an added extra. This is like a freebie. And we got some love hearts. I do love these. If you were watching this and you live out of the UK, do you have these? The little sherbet hard sweets that have hearts and little messages on them. This one says sorry. What's the next one say? Epic. I do really like them. So those are all the products, so I'm just going to give them all up and then I'll add them all up and come back. So these are all the products inside February's Tingle box. The cost of the box is £10 and then £3 shipping on top. The value comes in at around £24, but that's only taken into account the Maybelline lip tint, the nail polish and the mask, as everything else are like travel sizes, minis, samples, etc. It's nice that we got an added extra in there. I love those sweets, so I'll have them afterwards. I am a little bit disappointed with this perfume because it was a sneak peek. Usually the sneak peeks in different subscription boxes are usually the better product out of the other products in the box then, if you know what I mean. You know, I'm not expecting full size, at least a 5ml bottle then, you know, but no, so we got a little sample, so looks okay. This lip tint I'm going to pass on. Yeah, a mask is nice, but I've had them loads of times. The body polish sounds nice as well, but I think I might pass that on as well to a friend. And then we've got an overnight mask and the nail polish. I think I've already got the overnight mask, so I'm going to have a look in my beauty stash, and if I have, then I'll pass it on as well. It is not a bad box, but it's not excited me this month at all. It's not excited me, and in all honesty, I cancelled my subscription before I received the products. I think this is what, the third or fourth box that I've subscribed for, I think, and yeah, it hasn't been a bad box, but it just seems, this is my conspiracy theory going on, and I'm not the only one, because a few of you have mentioned this and then it's planted a seed in my mind, so I am getting it from you lot that have mentioned it, but it's like it's trying to copy a rocker box. The pink worms are exactly the same. Even the card, very, very similar, except for it hasn't got a personality. And I mean, like, personality is in, there's no like message from the founder, the editor, or whatever, telling you value, telling you about the theme, nothing like that. It's just your basic products. And then, yeah, and all these products I could have received exactly the same like 2 or 3 years ago. Everything that I'm finding in these boxes that I've had so far is nothing new then. So I'm wondering, have Rockerbox got a secret sideline where they're just like getting rid of stock? I don't know. What do you think? The main reason I've stopped is that it doesn't excite me. It doesn't excite me, and I've heard from a few of you that there's been delivery issues as well, and a few of you said that you haven't received your boxes. I would love to know your thoughts. What do you think of the products inside my box? Have you received your Tingle box? Have you received your March Tingle box by now? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know. Even if you're watching this for the first time, I'd love to hear what you think of it. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.